Example 6. Prove that 81 to the power of 1 by log 3 to the base 5 plus 27 to the power of log 36 to the base 9 plus 3 power 4 by log 9 to base 7 equals to 890. So we need to prove this result summation is equals to 890. Okay, let me simplify. 81 to the power of 1 by log 3 to the base 5 can be written as 3 power 4 to the power of logarithm of 5 to the base 3, since 1 by log b to the base a can be written as log a to the base b, and plus this can be written as 3 power 3 to the power of logarithm of 6 square to the base 3 square plus 3 to the power of 4 multiply by logarithm of 9 base 7 will become 7 to the base 9. That 9 can be written as 3 square. Now this can be written as 3 power 4 log 5 to the base 3 plus 3 power 3 multiply by this number. But remember, here we use the formula a power m to the base b power n as m divided by n times log a to the base b. So by using that 2 by 2 log 6 to the base 3 plus 3 times 4 by 2, because this 2 comes to the denominator, log 7 to the base 3. And we know there is a formula logarithm of m to the power of k can be written as k times log m. Even in the reverse order, k log m can be written as log m power k. By using that formula, this can be written as 3 to the power of log 5 to the power of 4 to the base 3 plus here 2 gets cancelled and 3 power log 6 cube to the base 3 plus 3 power 1 2 gets cancelled, you will be getting log 7 square to the base 3. And we have from the basic concept of a to the power of log b to the base a. If we have the same base here, the result is equals to b. By using that formula, I say 3 having the same base gets cancelled. This is 5 raised to 4 plus here 3 having the same base, you get it 6 cube, and here 7 square. That is 625 plus 216 plus 49. Okay, so 9 plus 6 15 plus 5 20, and 2 plus 4 6 plus 1 7 plus 2 9, and 2 plus 6 8. Total it is 890.